EZAdsPro Scheduler. In this training video, we're going to show you how to enter a listing manually into the advertising group. The first thing that is required is that we have the agent assigned to this broker group. We can check that by selecting the Preferences menu in the upper right hand corner. When we click on the Preferences menu, there's a little tab called Agents. Click on the Agents tab. The next thing you'll see are a listing of agents that are inside this broker group. If the agent that you have the listing that you're creating for is not in this group, you'll need to enter them. You enter them by entering in the first name, the last name, telephone, email address, and clicking the little green button. You also have the option, if you wish, to assign a headshot to that particular agent. Once this is finished, go ahead and click the Save button and you're ready to enter your listing. The next step is to go to the Add Listing button. When I hit the Add Listing button, you'll see that there's some mandatory fields that are shaded that have to be filled out, in addition to the listing agent. In this case, let me go ahead and enter a listing in. And you'll notice as I type in the field is shaded, it turns clear. This indicates that that is now set. If I wish, and this is being used for an item in this particular ad, at this point I can also put in the position number. The other requirement is that you do select the listing agent. So all I have to do is select the listing agent from this menu. With the images, all I need to do is click the Upload button and drag the necessary and appropriate images into this box. Once they are uploaded, all I have to do is hit the Finish button and they will be saved into the actual listing itself. I can click on the Save button, and once I click on Save, that listing will now be in the system. If you want to take the listing and remove it from the system because the listing has been sold, what you will need to do is select the listing, and you can do one of two things. You can change the listing status by moving it from active to sold, which will automatically move it to archive, or I can move it manually to archive by selecting the listing itself, clicking on the little folder down here, and moving it from active to archive. And that's all you need to do. This concludes the training video on creating a manual listing.